Taehyung and RM made a grand entrance at the VIP premiere of Park Chan-wook's much-anticipated film, No Other Choice, instantly becoming the highlight of the evening. The energy inside the venue shifted the moment the two BTS members stepped onto the red carpet, with photographers, journalists, and fans focusing their attention on them. Taehyung, in particular, carried himself with a calm yet magnetic aura, the kind that naturally draws every eye in the room. Dressed in a sleek and sophisticated ensemble, his visuals seemed almost unreal under the glow of the lights, and every photograph taken of him spoke volumes about his effortless charm and commanding presence. Standing beside RM, who carried his own quiet charisma and leader-like grace, the duo represented not just music legends, but cultural icons who have stepped seamlessly into global fashion and film circles. As press photos of Taehyung and June at the premiere spread across media outlets and social platforms, fans couldn't help but gush about how striking Taehyung looked from every angle. His expressions, his posture, and the way he engaged with the atmosphere all created a visual narrative that fans will remember for years to come. Many praised how natural it felt to see him at such a prestigious film event, blending the world of cinema with his artistry and presence. The night was not only a celebration of Park Chan-wook's new masterpiece, but also a testament to Taehyung's rising stature in industries beyond music. Adding to the excitement, it was recently revealed that Anna Wintour, the legendary editor-in-chief of Vogue, has personally invited Taehyung to the upcoming Vogue World event scheduled for next month. Such an invitation carries immense weight in the fashion world, as it reflects recognition from one of the most influential figures in style and culture. For Taehyung, the combination further cements his place as a global captivating icon presence whose appeal transcends borders and industries. Alongside RM, the anticipation and the upcoming surrounding his representing himself at Vogue is already building. Demonstrates fans and fashion enthusiasts Taehyung is eager to see what kind of statement he is not just an artist, make on such a but a multifaceted figure influencing music, film, and fashion all at once. Every step he takes seems to set a new benchmark, and his ability to command attention in any setting proves that his journey is only becoming more powerful. With endless press photos capturing his unforgettable look and aura from the premiere, fans around the world are left in awe, unable to stop replaying the images of the night. One thing is clear: Taehyung is not just attending events, he is redefining them with his presence.